Mars, humanity's next destination. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey as we explore a planet whose mysterious red surface and scientists' curiosity have drawn our attention for years. Yes, we're talking about Mars, the red planet. Why has humanity been fascinated by Mars for so many years? Why could this planet become a critical link to humanity's future? And most importantly, could life be possible there? Let's dive into these questions in this video. Introduction to Mars. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is a crucial member of our solar system. Slightly smaller than Earth, this red planet has captivated researchers for years due to its unique color. In this section, we'll explore what makes Mars so special. Geography of Mars. Mars features enormous mountains, deep valleys, and vast plains. Among the most famous is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Mars' red color. Mars gets its red color from iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Comparing Mars and Earth have several similarities, such as a day length of about 24 hours. However, a year on Mars is approximately 687 Earth days. History of Mars. Mars' geological history indicates that water once flowed here. Riverbeds, valleys, and lake remnants on its surface suggest that Mars' environment might have once been as moist as Earth's. The question of the possibility of life on Mars cannot be answered without understanding its atmosphere. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at Mars' atmosphere and the challenges it presents for human survival. Thin atmosphere of Mars. Mars has an extremely thin atmosphere with about 100 times less density than Earth's. Its main component is carbon dioxide, 95%. Weather and temperature. Mars has an extremely cold climate, with an average temperature of around -60 degrees Celsius. There is a significant difference between daytime and nighttime temperatures. Air pressure. The air pressure on Mars is much lower than on Earth, posing a serious challenge for human survival. Dust storms. Mars frequently experiences dust storms, which can engulf the entire planet and last for months, posing challenges to solar-powered equipment and rovers. Radiation. Mars' thin atmosphere allows harmful solar radiation to reach its surface, which can be dangerous for human life. Possibility of water. While Mars' environment is extremely cold, evidence of water in the form of frozen ice has been found. This water could be crucial for humans, especially if it could be split into hydrogen and oxygen in laboratories. Water discovery on any planet is the most significant indication of potential life. The discovery of water on Mars has raised new questions for astronomers about Mars' past and future. Traces of water, ice and salt deposits found on Mars suggest that liquid water once existed here. Remnants of rivers and lakes. Rovers have discovered areas on the Martian surface where remnants of rivers and lakes are present. Discoveries of Perseverance and Curiosity rovers. These rovers have detected traces of water and potential signs of microbial life. The biggest question following the discovery of water is whether life ever existed on Mars, and if any form of life could still exist today. In this segment, we'll discuss the possibilities that might indicate life on Mars. Signs of microbes on Mars. Scientists hope that microbes may exist deep within Mars, where radiation exposure is lower. Organic compounds in Martian soil. The discovery of organic compounds in Martian soil by the Curiosity rover has excited scientists. Could there be evidence of life on Mars? Scientists are working on future missions to confirm the possibility of past life on Mars. Elon Musk's SpaceX project is a new beginning in the mission to settle humans on Mars. In this segment, we'll look at how SpaceX's Starship aims to transport humans to Mars and bring them back. SpaceX and Starship. Reusable rocket technology and Musk's plan to establish a permanent colony on Mars by 2050. SpaceX's flight plans. Details about SpaceX's rocket system and the technologies intended for Mars missions. A new society on Mars. Elon Musk envisions humanity creating a new society on Mars as a safeguard against potential disasters on Earth. Establishing life on Mars is more than just a dream. However, to turn this dream into reality, we'll have to overcome several challenges. In this segment, we'll discuss the obstacles to establishing human settlements on Mars. Harsh climate. Mars' cold and dry environment is challenging for human life. Lack of oxygen. We'll need to develop oxygen production technology for breathable air on Mars. Radiation and protection. Mars' surface has high radiation levels that are harmful to humans, necessitating special structures and radiation protection technologies. Food production. To sustain themselves, humans on Mars will need to develop greenhouses and other food production systems. Advanced technological measures for human survival on Mars. Enabling life on Mars will require cutting-edge technologies to tackle challenges such as atmospheric conditions, radiation, and the provision of food and water. In this segment, we'll discuss potential solutions to address these obstacles. Greenhouses and agriculture. Farming on Mars will be a major challenge. Scientists are researching whether Martian soil can support plant growth or if advanced techniques like hydroponics and aeroponics will be required. Synthetic oxygen production. Since Mars' atmosphere lacks oxygen, producing it will be essential for human survival. NASA's MOXIE mission is already testing technology to convert Mars' atmospheric carbon dioxide into oxygen. Water recycling. Water will be limited on Mars, making recycling crucial. Efforts are being made to obtain water from Martian ice and atmospheric sources through specialized recycling systems. Radiation protection. The high radiation levels on Mars mean that human settlements will need to be shielded. These structures may be built underground or made of special materials that can block radiation. Energy sources. Solar energy will be the primary power source on Mars, but during dust storms, batteries and other power sources will also be necessary. Small nuclear reactors are also being considered. Envisioning a sustainable human settlement on Mars. Imagining a permanent human colony on Mars might sound like science fiction, but efforts from SpaceX, NASA, and other space agencies are gradually bringing this dream closer to reality. In this segment, we'll imagine what a human society on Mars might look like. The first Martian city. What will the first city on Mars be like? Scientists and engineers are exploring ideas for its construction, where sustainable buildings, oxygen production, and resource recycling will play key roles. Daily life on Mars. Daily life on Mars will bring many challenges, including farming, energy production, and surviving in the harsh climate. However, these societies will be self-sufficient and gradually develop their own technologies and resources. Future missions. After establishing human life on Mars, scientists and space agencies will work towards even deeper space exploration. Mars could be the first step towards settlements on other planets. Ethical and social perspectives on Mars colonization. Building a society on Mars raises not only technical, but also ethical and social questions. Do we have the right to colonize Mars? What are the social and moral implications of such an endeavor? In this segment, we'll explore these issues, ethical questions. After discovering evidence of life on Mars, a profound question arises. Do we have the right to establish life on another planet? Do we have the authority to alter Mars' natural structures? Social questions. What forms of government would exist on Mars? What kind of social structures would develop there? Would the colonies on Mars form a distinct social and cultural identity separate from Earth? Scientific and ethical responsibilities. Scientists and missions heading to Mars bear ethical responsibilities to use the land and resources wisely and sustainably. Humanity's journey to Mars is just the beginning. The journey to Mars marks only the start of exciting future chapters in space exploration. This segment focuses on future discoveries and explains how our progress on Mars could bring humanity closer to expanding civilization in space. The next step in human exploration. After settling on Mars, we could work toward exploring other planets and moons, like Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's Titan. Possibilities of deep space. Travel. Exploring Mars is a significant step for the future of space travel. It will provide us with the technical and scientific knowledge needed for long-term space missions. Humanity's role in space exploration. The search on Mars will lead humanity not just to new locations, but also to new possibilities and resources. Mars represents a significant step in our journey through space. Reaching Mars and establishing life there is not just a scientific achievement, it is a testament to human curiosity and courage. So, the possibility of life on Mars, the challenges it presents, and our scientific progress bring us closer to answering an important question. Is Mars truly humanity's next destination? We hope this video has helped you learn something new about Mars. If you found this information interesting, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you and see you on the next thrilling journey.